Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna present you my pipe boat. Was the first RC boat I built. So of course I made some problems and we go through it with my videos and we can talk about it. If you made some problems like this, please you can just write me in the comment what's happened and how you solve it. I'll show you as well how I solve my problems in this boat, and story about behind this boat, why I built it, because of one of my friend. He's fishing and he love fishing, and I said okay, so why I gonna do it for you, and let's see what's happened. So now let's start with the build videos, and in the end of the videos I'll show you what I done. So everybody, I'm done now with part 1. This house looks my boat. I faced the problem was about the boat from the engine and propeller down from the line from fishing, and I decided to make it with a air boat, so with the propeller from the front. As you see, is like catamaran boat, and I cut this 2 parts with a hot wire, and then I cut the other support parts from the top. So here would be my electronic stuff where I put everything. I done 2 pieces of wood, 1 piece of wood here, another 2 with like 90 degrees, so everything is safely secured. I used 2 component glue to glue everything in this boat. I didn't get any problems with that for the first part. Now I just sand this part from the front, and then as well here's this part, and I get this angle, so give it a good shape. The problem what I get was with this part, with my motor. After I finished the design and I print this part and start my motor, he start to really vibrate so hard, and then I discover where the problem is. So this part, when I made as a design, it wasn't really thick enough. So this case a vibration in the motor when I give very fast. When I give much power, then it start to be really vibrating, and this is why I make another. I designed another part and I put this cover here, and as well I glue it with 2 components, and then I mount my motor inside, and then the vibration is really almost gone away. This was the problem I faced in this build for the beginning. So this video is too long now, so this is why I divide my videos in several parts. As I said, I just get the problem until now was in the front, in the motor mounting, and I solved this problem. In the other part there's another problem I faced, and I will show you what I done. So if you like the video, thumb up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. All this part, 3D part, is for free. So if you go down in the link description, you're gonna find the link to Thanksgiving, and then you can download it if you like to build the same things. Thank you for watching, and see you in next part.